Yeah, have you seen the price of boat trailers? Whoa. All the more reason to do a little upkeep and maintenance on your boat trailer. Check it out. The new Karavan boat trailer fender is here. And it's exactly what I needed. See, this one just has the forward light. No rear light. This one has lights on both sides, so it could be used on either side. Although you could use either side. Just have to cut your own light. Surprisingly, this one was like $5 less. So guess what? It's time to make a fix your boat trailer fender video. I didn't damage this, but it's damaged. And it's damaged. Oh, we're gonna bend this straight, pop out, unscrew the screws that are left, find a few more, and we're gonna screw this thing on. And then when I'm done, it's gonna look just about like this. And it'll be so cool. Alright, well, let's get started. I removed the underneath screws of this plastic fender, and look, somebody probably didn't realize they should be rinsing well under the fenders. So with this plastic gone, the new fender is ready to go on. But before that, we're just gonna hammer on this, hit it with the wire brush, and give it a coat of primer and maybe some galvanized gray paint, just because. Ready to go, right? Wrong. See those bumps? Those need to be hammered on or chiseled, or you're just painting over like rust chips. So just a little bit more. The wire brush isn't going to get it. You're going to have to scrape harder. Okay, this is after I just scraped it harder. See how porous it is? I'm not scraping it anymore, but you really have to hammer down on the stuff to get it perfect. But it's a boat trailer, it's worth saving. I'm not gonna get it perfect, and that paint is gonna do a good job. But let's check it out. So we gotta straighten this one. And also I noticed the weld is cracked. It's cracked away from the body. So it's gonna, next time it gets near the welder, it's gonna get a couple zaps under there. In the meantime, I scratched all this down. Time to straighten. Considering my options, I would stick my most giant pipe wrench on here and just give it a twist, but it's not available. So we're gonna do a more old-fashioned method, a large crescent wrench. Simply place it and start straightening. And if you're good with metal, notice when you pull down low, the top of the high side right here, it wants to dip. So that's where you pull and you whack with your 5 to 7 pound sledgehammer, and then it'll be straight in no time. Just some pulls and some whacks, about 10 whacks is all it took, and it's almost completely straight. But keep in mind, I've stretched this weld even more, and it's starting to definitely want some more, a little bit more attachment there. So that'll be simple, quick, and easy. Paint on and under. I spread as much paint as I could on everything that I wire brushed, which shows part of the axle. That's as far as I could reach. Got this back bracket. It should be straight enough. And I had a little more paint that I needed, so I got rid of that paint up here. And you can't do enough to slow the rust down. So Paint is your friend in the boat trailer of the saltiness world. There you have it. Easy peasy. Internet order. A little bit of refurb on the brackets, some hammering, and wreck amended.